How to make a Bank of America account online. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for Bank of America Sign In. Head over to the very first site. It will land you on this interface. Tap on Enroll. It will lead you to the page where you'll be able to create your Bank of America account online. You need to fill up some of the informations. First of all, enter the last 6 digits of your card or account number. And then enter the social security number or your tax ID number. Well, if you don't have one, you can simply click on I don't have an SSN or TIN number. And then again you will have to fill up some of the other informations. Once you are done, click on Continue. And then your Bank of America account will be created successfully. And you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can make your Bank of America account online. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.